Hey guys, welcome back to my Pokegaming YouTube channel. Today we're gonna continue our Pokemon Leaf Green journey. So guys, now I'm gonna defeat the Elite Four. I have trained all my Pokemons to level 70, as you can see. All at level 70. It was very hard to train, but with the help of VS Seeker, I got much training and much dollars too. Now let's go again. Or random battle. Level 3 Rattata versus level 70 Venusaur. So let's go. Pokemon League. Wait, I can just fly to Pokemon League now. Then why I should go? Simple easy trick. Okay, I came here. So let's go. My Pokemons are healed. So I'm gonna sell some items and buy. So many items I have. Okay, these all are very useful things. Yeah, very less max potions HP all. So from here I'm gonna sell all things. Which this all I got by searching the islands, going to the legendary Pokemon's place. This upgrade, nobody said what is the use of things, so I'm gonna sell it directly. Lucky Punch, Tiny Mushroom, Thunderstone. I'm gonna sell it. What's the use of this? Our journey is going to be as well as end. So what will be the use? Firestone also I'm gonna sell. PP also I'm gonna sell. Oh, Max Revive is a needed thing. Oh no. Yeah, last thing to sell. So now baggies are free. Now I can buy some things. Full restore. Some 27. Okay. We have dollars. Yeah, we have much dollars. Max potion some 14. Revive some more. I need 20. Full heals. Okay, 17. Max ripple not much, not now. Still we have much dollars. Full restore some 7. We can buy more. Rivals also some we will buy. And okay, that's enough. Now we can go. From here on you face Elite for 1 by 1. Good luck. Thank you. So guys, let's beat the Elite Four once again. So let's keep our Jolteon in front and let's go. Welcome to the Pokemon League. I'm Lorelei of Elite Four as have returned. You know it goes, no one can beat me when night comes. Of ice type, freezing moves are more powerful. This we already read guys, so no need to read again. So let's go. First Elite Four. Dewgong. Okay, can we use Thunder? Let's see it will hit or not. Okay, it has been hidden. Nice, good. And yes, it's level 64. Our Jolteon is at level 70. That's a great news. Piloswine. Okay, it's a Johto region Pokemon. It's a fire, ice and ground. Okay, let's use Nidoking's Fire Blast. Let's see how much Fire Blast can damage. Okay, it's unhidden. And boom, yes, it's a worked. It worked greatly. 2 down, 3 left. Cluster. Okay, let's use Jolteon only. Okay, let's see Thunder can be hidden or not. Okay, Thunder. Oh, Thunder missed. Supersonic, it has confused us. Okay, I can use full heal. We have much full heals. Okay, our Pokemon become healthy. Rain Dance. Yes, this is my strategy, guys. Guys, if you don't know, in rain, Thunder will be never miss. If you see in the Kalos region league final, they will say in that Thunder will never miss when it rains. Yeah, as we know, it's attack. Okay, 3 down, 2 left. Jinx. Okay, Fire Blast, Fire type moves. Let's use. Come on, Nidoking, you should hit it. Fire Blast. Attract, no. Nidoking, it's not the time for love. Okay, let's see. Fire Blast, yes, it's 110. And what the? Just this much damage? Not fair. Okay, let's use a Focus Punch. Fighting time moves also effective. Lovely Kiss. Okay, we have in sleep. Okay, let's use full heal. Unless I need to switch my Pokemons. Okay, it's raining still, so I can use Jolteon's Thunder. Ice Beam, not much effect. Okay, good. No, rain has been stopped, but the Thunder has been hidden. Great. That's a nice news. and Jinx has been down. So last Pokemon Lapras. Okay, go Venusaur. Flincy Plant. Last time we did. Okay. Yeah, it has Indian and boom. So guys, we have defeated Lorelei. Very easy it was because of my hard training. Okay, we got $6,600. So you are the better than I thought. Okay, same dialogues they are using. Okay, let's use full heal and a full restore to my Jolteon. Okay, now we can go for next Bruno. Okay, I think I should keep Lapras in front. Okay. So let's go. This all we have read the same thing they are saying, so nothing much to read. Oh ha. Now let's see how much strength Bruno has been gained. Oh, Steelix. Bruno Sonics has been evolved into Steelix. Let's see. Still they are the ground types, so water types are effective. And one down, 4 left. Next up is Hitmonchan. So we can use Lapras Psychic, yeah. Because it knows Thunder Punch and Ice Punch, which effect for a Jolteon. So not Jolteon, Pidgeot. Oh no, fighting types moves effect for us. Yeah, let's use another Psychic and finish this off. Okay, thanks Lapras. Thanks for your help. Now next up is Hitmonlee. So we can change into our Pidgeot. Yes, now we can use Aerial Ace. Let's go. And yo, it was one hit. Okay, that's a nice thing. So next up is Hitmonchan. Okay, let's go. Air Slash, Aerial Ace. Okay. Ooh, it was a 50% good. Rock Slide, it's effective move. Okay, it's okay. We can still battle. And wow. Okay, it's going very easily. Last up is Steelix. So okay, Lapras, you can do it. Okay, just Pidgeot and Lapras are more than enough to defeat this Bruno. Okay. Over. Okay guys, we have defeated Bruno very easily. So, okay, my job is done. Go and face your next challenge. First, use full restore on my 2 Pokemon, Lapras and Pidgeot. Yes. Okay, restored. Now we can go for the next battle, Ajanta. So in this video, I'm gonna defeat first all Elite Force only. Okay, let's keep our Jolteon in front and go. I'm Ajanta of the Elite Four. You are the child of the oak taken by his wing and not the wolf of one tough and handsome. Okay, same thing. Fill this Pokédex. Is wrong. Pokemons are for battling. I know it's for battling. Okay, guys, it's a third Elite Four. What to do? Okay, first Gengar. Let's see how much changes Ajanta has. Shadow Bow. Okay. Oh, it's a 70% damage. Okay, Hypnosis. We have faint. I think now Gengar will use Demeter. So let's full heal our Pokemon. Okay, our Pokemon. Okay, Shadow Ball. Same attack. Oh, it's a good damage for us. So let's use Shadow Ball and finish this off. No time to waste. Okay, Gengar is down. Now next up is Arbok. Okay, go Nidoking. Your ground type moves will be effect to Arbok. Okay, let's use Earthquake. Let's see how much it's gonna damage. Okay, go. Yes, it's a one hit only. That's a great news. Next up is Mischievous. Okay, it's a Johto Gems ghost type Pokemon. Then we should use a Jolteon only once again. Mysterious, so it evolves into Mismagius in the Sinnoh region, nah? Yeah. Okay, Shadow Ball is of 80% damage. Same Shadow Ball. Okay, another Shadow Ball to finish this off. So next up with Gengar, I need to heal my Pokemon. So second is a Crobat. A Golbat has been evolved. Okay, first we'll use full restore on a Jolteon. Okay, that's great. Now we can use Ice Beam. Oh, Confuse Ray. Okay, let's use full heal. We have how much to? Air Cutter, not much damage. Ice Beam. No, why another Confuse Ray? Okay, Lapras, you can do it. What, Lapras? I believed in you. Okay, another Ice Beam. Come on, Lapras, come on. this waste. We should use the max full restore. Okay, sludge bomb, not much damage, so let's use the ice beam. Another sludge bomb. Oh, poisoned. What, Lapras? Okay, Lapras ice beam has been eaten. Ooh, it was 1 HP. Okay, let's use full restore. I think Ajanta also will use full restore. Yeah, she used. Okay, another ice beam will finish off our job, I think. Okay, go ice beam, sludge bomb. Not much effect. Ice beam. And yes, Crobat is down. Finally, is down. It was one tough battle. So Gengar has lost. Okay, Jolteon. I think Shadow Ball will be okay. Only Ajanta has one changes. She brought Miss Magius instead of Haunter. Okay, Shadow Ball was 60% damage. Sludge Bomb. Ooh, it's also a nice increase damage. Okay, guys, by this we have defeated the Ajanta of the Elite 4. 3 down, only one Elite 4 member left. Now the door is open. We can go. Before that, we should heal our Pokemons. Full restore to Lapras and Jolteon. Okay, let's have first Pokemon Gyarados so we can keep Jolteon in front. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is 34th episode. 35th episode will become. Then this Pokemon Leaf Green journey will end. I'm little bit of sad. Then I'm happy to for that is another journey begins. So first we're gonna see this battle. Okay, Gyarados. Okay, Jolteon. Use Shockwave or Thunder. Shockwave, okay. Yes. Gyarados is down finally. Okay, next up is our Aerodactyl. So I gonna use Lapras only, I think. Nothing much I can do. I don't know that electric moves will be effect on Aerodactyl or not. Oh no, just forgot the Asian power. Attack rose, defense rose, speed rose, special attack rose, special defense rose. Okay, Surf. Okay, decent damage. Hyper Beam. What happens? Oh, it's a 26 HP, very low. And the Surf finish our jobs. Great. So next up is Dragonite. So my Pokemon is little bit low HP, so I can use Snorlax. Okay. Now I use full restore on my Lapras because okay, wait, Dragonite is here means nothing much big lens will not have. So okay, Blizzard, outrage. It will be get confused and another move. Attack missed. Yeah, it has been confused. That's good for us. What the Persian berry he has? Fuck, Lance, fuck. Okay, Blizzard. It has hit and it should go fully. It should go. Oh, he will use. Okay, let's use Body Slam. You will use full. Oh, Lance did not use the full restore. That's a great news. And the Body Slam hit 10. So Dragonite is down finally. What the? Another Dragonite? How many Dragonite do you have, Lance? Okay, Ice Beam. Earthquake. No, should not damage. It's a water type Pokemon. Yeah. And Ice Beam. Boom. Yes. It has gone. That's great. And last up is Kingdra. Okay. Kingdra. What Pokemon before he has? I don't remember. Okay. Ice Beam. Dragon Dance. Attack increase. Speed increase. Okay. Okay. Surf. Not much damage. Psychic. Okay, now we can use Ice Beam and finish this off. Surf. Not much damage. Yes, and Ice Beam. He did. That's all. We have defeated the all Elite Force in just one video of 14 minutes. That's a great news. Our second time. Okay. And the Pokemon League champion, but the one trainer left evil. Okay. So guys, next video I'm gonna defeat my rival Evil. Then the video will be ended. The Kanto journey also will be ended, guys. I was having lots of fun with you guys in this Pokemon Leaf Green journey, but now this one is coming to end. Then next video, next journey will be Johto Regions. Till that time, subscribe to my channel, like if you like the video, share with your friends, Comment if you want to say anything. Instagram link in the description, Discord link in the description. Follow it. And guys, thanks for watching.